Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you guys how I do my naturally pretty makeup look, which is this right here. Super cute. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so my face is nice and clean, so now it is ready to be prepped. So I only go in with 2 products to prep my skin. Literally only these 2 products do amazing on my skin, so I don't need any more. So the first product is the Red Bean Water Gel by Beauty of Joseon. Looks like this. I love this moisturizer. It's super hydrating. Okay, now that moisturizer is on, we could go in with my sunscreen, the second step of my skin prep. So this sunscreen, I'm pretty sure you guys know about it. This is the Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Rice and Probiotic Sunscreen. This is what it looks like. You guys know this one. I'm pretty sure you guys know. It was like viral on TikTok, so I'm pretty sure you guys know. So yeah, we just go with 2 fingers of this. I was not really into wearing sunscreens until I found that sunscreen. Look at how glowy my skin is. Do you see? Now that my skin is prepped and set to go, now sometimes I like to wait a little longer just so like the products can really soak up. I don't know, I just feel like if I go straight in with makeup, I don't know, I just feel like I'm taking off the skincare with whatever makeup I'm applying, like with the brush or anything. So I decide to wait at least a little bit, at least a couple minutes, 2-3 minutes. Okay, that should be good. So now we can finally go in with makeup. So okay guys, for this naturally pretty makeup, I literally use the least amount of makeup. So the first product I go in with for makeup is my Merit bronzer balm. I love this bronzer balm. I love Merit Beauty. It's literally the best. This is the shade Leo. Today we're going for a more naturally pretty makeup look. So I'm gonna go in just with my brush. This is one of the Makeup by Ariel brushes, the Morphe ones. This is the A58 brush. So I just applied a little bit on my brush, literally just a tiny bit. I go in on my forehead lightly, and like you guys can see, it's already like a little too much right there in my forehead, so I'm just blending it out. I go in on the tip of my nose right here, then whatever is left I go on my eyelid like this and my temple like this, and then kind of connect it to my forehead bronzer. Sometimes I add a little more to my cheekbones right here, but honestly lately I've just been going in with whatever is left on my brush. So yeah, this is what we're looking like. You know, something light, natural. I literally did this makeup a couple days ago and Kenny was like, "Are you even wearing makeup?" I was like, yes, I am, but it seems like it's not. That's how good it was. Okay, so now that bronzer is on, now we keep going with cream blush. I was gonna say bronzer blush. But for cream blush, it is also a Merit. Oh my god, I literally just noticed that it was also Merit. This is the Merit Blush Balm in Persimmon. This is the name. So if I didn't say it right, you guys know. If you guys can even see, because this thing isn't focusing. And the shade, it's like a really pretty red. I apply this cream blush with the Morphe blush cream, the Morphe M201 cream and liquid blush. So I just dab it on a little bit, literally just a little bit. I've been trying to go a little bit less heavy on the blush because I've noticed that in some pictures I'm like, it's a little too much. I'm just like, okay, maybe I went a little too heavy with the blush on this time. So I still like a lot of blush, but I try to go in with like little by little. That way I can actually, like, you know, have a little bit more control. Okay, then I apply a little bit on my nose, on my chin, and then whatever's left right here, just on the top of my brows, like this. You guys can see, not really that much, but still a little bit of color. Okay, now that we have the cream products on, I can go in with my concealer. and also set my face. So for my powder, I use my Laura Mercier powder. This is the translucent one. I don't really need that much, so I just put a little bit in there. Then for concealer, I go in with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Sugar Biscuit 3.5N. So I try to go only with like a little bit of this concealer because it is a really like dry concealer. I just grab the tiniest bit, I put it on my hand, literally just the tiniest dot. I grab the brush, I grab a tiny amount, and I go in right here, then out here like this. So like this. This is a placement. Then I go in with my Hourglass concealer brush. I don't think it says a name, but I'm pretty sure it's a concealer brush, this one. And I go in and blend. Honestly, I love this brush. I really thought that people were overhyping it until I tried it. I was like, okay, yeah. Okay, so with a little more, I went in the other eye, and again, same placement. I always start blending out the outer first. We are good. You guys see how concealer literally changed everything? Okay, well, I still have a little bit left on my hand. Whatever's left, I take my brush, dab it on, do my forehead, my chin, and then if I have any like blemishes or any scars from my pimples, and then I cover those up. But right now, I don't really have any that are like that, like stand out that much. So I'm not covering it up. Now ready to set. I just set with a powder puff. So I go in, I smooth it out in the back of my hand. Okay, make sure it's smooth. Now I just go in, I go back with my brush and just make sure everything is blended, there's no creases. So now we can go in with our powder. Like this. A little more powders. Again, smooth it back up, set our forehead. Okay, now I just go in my eyelid and blend out whatever started creasing. Usually my bronzer doesn't crease, it's mainly whatever concealer I applied there, like in the inner corner. Now I just go in with the Ariel brush, A14 brush, and set my eyelids. Then with the A32, again, Ariel brush, Morphe, I go in here, grab a little bit of powder, dust off wherever I didn't apply any powder yet, which is just pretty much wherever I applied the cream bronzer, cream blush. Okay, so now we go in with our powder products. So I'm gonna go in with I'm gonna go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is in the shade Deep Bronzer. Just a little bit. I don't wanna go in too heavy or else, again, it's not gonna look naturally pretty. I feel like the point of naturally pretty makeup, no makeup the same thing, is that you can't really tell if you're wearing makeup or not. So I feel like the less the better. I just go in the same spots that I use my cream bronzer. Now I go in with my blush. For blush, I am using the UBS Place Blush Volume 2 Duo. I'm gonna go in with the pink shade, so just the bottom one. This is just such a pretty pink. Then I go in on my nose, my chin, a little, and again right above the brows. Again, same placements that we did the cream blush. Now I go in with my Viso Rubor. This is in the shade 20 Coral. Looks like this. And I go in with my brush, again, Morphe X Ariel A22. I just go in with a little bit of this. This is kind of like a blush highlighter. I think it's just a blush, but I see it kind of as like a highlighter also, just because it gives me such a nice glow. For eyeshadow, I just do one shade. So I just go into my Patrick Ta Major Dimensions 3, this shade right here. Okay, just grab a little bit and then put it all over my eyelid. These usually blend super easy and super fast. So it literally takes no time. And now I just go in with a smaller brush. And just a tiny bit for under my lower lash line. So, okay, now we are done with, oh wait, no, actually I forgot. My brows. How did I forget about the brows? This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo and Ebony. I just go in with the lighter shade right now that I'm doing a more naturally pretty makeup. I kept doing the quote unquote because I don't know, I just feel like Who picks these names? I swear, like, it's literally the same makeup look, but they keep calling it different names. Okay, so brows are lightly filled in. Now I just go in with a little bit of clear gel, just so they stay in place. Now I can finally set my face. So to set my face today, for the Naturally Pretty, we're gonna use the e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine Setting Spray Mist. This is what it looks like. Okay, now our skin is ready. All that we have left is eyelashes and lips. I kind of forgot to apply Aquaphor, so I'm gonna do that now. So now I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Whenever I do a Naturally Pretty makeup look, I just curl my lashes a tiny bit. I just feel like if they're a little too curled, it won't look that like natural, you know what I mean? But okay, so I just curled them up a little bit. Now I just go in with my mascara. If you guys want to know what mascara I use, this is the Prosa mascara 4-en-1 Profesional, this one, the one in the black bottle. I just go in with a tiny bit. Okay, so like this. Super cute. Now we can finally go in with lips. So I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liner in cool brown. So I just go in a tiny bit. Okay, now that is good. Recently I tried something that literally changed the game for me for my naturally pretty makeup look, and it is this. I saw someone on TikTok talk about them, and honestly I always wanted to have a product like this because, okay, I like lip glosses. Like, I like how they look. So super glossy, you know, super nice. But I hate how they feel. They just feel so thick. If you get it on your hair, they get super sticky. It's uncomfortable. I just don't like that. But I love how they look. So once I saw this, I was like, I need to have it. I tried it out and oh my god, I am so in love with them. I have two right now. Yeah, right now, because I'm definitely planning to get more. But okay, today we are gonna use this one. This is the Fenty Beauty High Shine Gloss Stick. This is in this shade, Is It Fuzzy? This is what it looks like. Super cute packaging. And let me show you guys the color. It's definitely used, so bear with me. It's just like a really cute pink. And now we're just gonna go in. Oh my god, guys, watch. And just like that. Isn't it so cute? Like, I literally love this so much, guys. I fell in love. Literally, this is like my fave lip product now. I've barely been using any lipsticks because, come on, this is so cute. Oh my god, I love it. Well, that is it for today's makeup look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you guys enjoyed watching today's video, then please make sure to give this video a like. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching and keeping up. And I really hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.